In this video, we will show you how to leverage Cardiolog Analytics Leadership Overview Report. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage this dashboard. This area of the report focuses on visitors. Find out the percentage of employees that are visiting your sites and how that differs from last quarter. Are more employees visiting your sites this quarter, or were your engagement levels better last quarter? Immediately, you can find out that 2% more users visited their sites this quarter, and you'll know if you're doing better or not. You can also change the filter to compare month to month or year to year. Understanding your users and what interests them for increased usage is important. While we already know which audiences are using the sites the most, as well as those that use it the least, what you can see reported here is the growth potential, users that could be visiting your sites more. We have listed the content that users from the bottom segment were most interested in, and we know that by targeting the bottom audiences with the content that colleagues are interested in can increase your portal engagement by 144 monthly users. You can select which audiences you want to focus on in the audience filter. After you take action and start to target those specific audiences with the content of interest to them, you can easily then revisit this data to see if the action you took actually helped to increase the engagement levels for that audience. Now we know that, for example, in this quarter, users who we targeted in the financial department visited the sites 2.8% more than last quarter. We show you insights about activity patterns to help you understand how well the portal is performing. At the end of the day, leadership wants to know if users are engaging with the portal as often as intended. Here you can see that users visited the portal 1.5 days a month and spent 0.53 hours in the portal, which has increased by 98% compared to last month. This insight is crucial as it helps determine if enhanced engagement strategies are needed to boost visitor retention or improve content relevancy to encourage longer visits. Let's focus on content itself and what topics are gathering more attention and trending. You can now quickly see which content is gaining more traction compared to before. Take this content. We see it attracted 9% more users this month than when it was initially published last month, which is really powerful information if we want to see our efforts in content reach is improving and effective. You can choose to focus on specific types of content, whether it is documents or news articles, using this filter. If you are publishing news articles and aim to broaden their reach by promoting them through the weekly newsletters, you can refer to this top trending report to verify if your efforts are effective in attracting more viewers to these articles and to monitor any growth. Additionally, you can track the impact of your newsletters specifically by observing the successful campaign visual. It shows which campaigns brought the most traffic to your site and can therefore tell you how many visitors who read the news articles were directed there from your weekly newsletter. In this report, we can see how many times each piece of content was viewed directly and how many times it was viewed through a campaign. Similarly, by analyzing trending search phrases, you can identify which topics or terms are gathering interest among your visitors and tailor your content to align with these emerging trends and increase engagement and visitor retention. The leadership dashboard saves significant time by eliminating the need for extensive data analysis and decision-making. We now generate insights for you, meaning you no longer need to ponder over data, and you can present these findings directly to leadership.